Welcome. In this video, we'll go through a quick and easy guide on how to find all your saved links inside the Telegram app on your PC, using the latest update. If you've ever saved an article, a video, or any important link in Telegram and then struggled to find it later, this method will help you organize and access everything in just a few clicks. First, open the Telegram desktop app on your PC. Once it's loaded, head straight to the search bar at the top left of the window. Here, type in Saved Messages. This is the personal space inside Telegram where all the items you save are stored, including links, photos, files, and notes. When you see saved messages appear in the search results, click on it. This will open the special chat thread that acts as your own private cloud storage within Telegram. It might look just like a normal chat, but it's only visible to you. Now, look towards the top of the chat window, where the name Saved Messages is displayed. Click directly on the chat name. A side panel will open, showing different categories of saved content. In this new layout introduced by updates, Telegram organizes items into separate tabs like Media, Files, Music, and Links. Select the tab labeled Links. This section will immediately display every URL you've ever forwarded or saved in your saved messages. You can scroll through them, revisit a website with one click, or even copy and share links directly from here. It's neat, organized, and much faster than scrolling endlessly through old messages. With this quick process, all your saved links are located in one convenient section, making it easy for you to return to websites, articles, or resources without stress. No more wasting time trying to dig through messages to find that one important page you know you saved. And that's it. Just search for saved messages, open the chat, click on the chat name, and head to the Links tab. From there, all your saved content is ready and waiting for you.